So I don't know if you know me, my name is Gio. I am from Brazil. I speak Portuguese and I have a Studygram and Instagram where I talk about studies and organization. But today I decided to do a video full in English with subtitles in Portuguese because a lot of people on my Instagram they are studying English. So I thought that would be nice if I did a video with subtitles in Portuguese and with a Portuguese accent so people could understand better. So I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna show a little about my day and I'll be talking with you guys. So you're gonna hear a lot my beautiful sound.
I always start my day like doing something that I would never do if I did like after waking up and doing my stuff. So I started like reading an ebook and then I did yoga and skincare because I always forget it.
So this is the part of the video where the vlog begins. So I already changed my clothes. I am with a hoodie because sometimes you need to wash your face, put a hoodie and do your stuff. I know it's cold in Brazil, okay, but whatever. I'm gonna have a French class now on Properly. Properly is an app where it joins tutors and people who want to learn any language, and it's really nice. I'm having Properly classes of Korean and French, and right now I think it's amazing. French principally because French is not a language of human beings, you know, like human beings can't do that sounds, but that's okay. And I think it's really similar to English, and I think it's also really similar to Spanish. So it's like the most difficult language that I ever learned because I learned English, that was okay, Spanish okay, Korean okay, but French, like that class, and then I have to do a post for my Instagram, and then I'm gonna work. I'm feeling French. I got more than one phrase right. You know, I was like reading somewhere, I don't know where, someday, I don't remember when, but I was reading that when you learn some language after you're 19, you're more accurate and you're more probably to have accents. I don't know really because I learned all my language that I learned when I was really young. So Spanish at 15, my English when I was 9, Korean I started to learn when I was 16, 17, something like that. So I don't really have a bad accent in those languages. But when I talk about French, I feel that I have like that Spanish accent and I don't know where it comes from. So I think that's probably accurate, but I'm not sure. So I will search and then I will say to you guys. So now I'm going to work at the living room. I work as a marketing intern. It's gonna be like 4 months, and I work with research. So I'm pushing like getting all the data about novellas. So that's what I need to do this afternoon. I work at home office, so I don't really need to get out. What I'm thankful for because it's really cold here.
So I work at the living room, so we're normally watching something, so I don't have to listen to the noises from the living room. So that was me watching a video from polyglots doing stuff. After I took a break and I watched a beautiful episode of this Turkish, I don't even know, like, I think it's a TV show. It's really good. My day just really passed really fast, like really fast. I was there drinking coffee at my tutorial mug. After work, I just watched an episode of My Mister, that K-drama. It's really good. I didn't finish yet, but it's good. And then my day ended. So this is me and Mahi asking for likes and subscriptions in the channel. Thanks guys!